Hello guys, Mr. ATC as always for you, and today I will be showing you how to create your own wine rack using pallet wood. Alright, I hope that you like this project, and I'll see you next time.
Hey there! Are you a brand or company proposing very unique and nice products and services? Then you are in the right place. At ATC Design, we present your products and services directly to our passionate DIY community. We're all about the craft of creation, turning reclaimed materials into fresh, innovative ideas. Your brand can be the next essential part of a maker's workshop. If you would like to be featured within our videos like many other companies, feel free to contact us at info@atc-c.com.